Yo, hi everybody, welcome back to the brand new Honest Reaction video, and this one is Patreon requested. It's for B Prince. Thank you very much for sponsoring it. Today we're gonna be listening to Nature Girls. First time ever with this, I think it's a group. And first song by them, first. And it's uncensored version. So, I mean, I have two guesses. Either this video is like 18 plus, or no, 18 plus is not allowed, or like 16 plus, let's call it that. Or there's going to be violence, because in the thumbnail there's like a needle or a knife going to her eye or something. So yeah, we'll see which one it is. So let's begin with it now. Before we actually jump in though, guys, make sure you do check out my Patreon, where you can request a song or a video like this, and also check out more than 500 exclusive reaction videos to BTS, Twice, Red Velvet, Dreamcatcher, IU, Blackpink, live stages by these and many other groups, and of course K-drama reactions like my Mr. Hotel de Loona, It's Okay to Not Be Okay, Scarlet Heart, itzy Class, Squid Game, The Producers, and Goblin. So all of that is on my Patreon. The link is down below. Yeah, let's begin. I instantly find the higher part of the melody really attractive. I don't know why, just the way it sounds. Yeah, the higher frequencies. It's like balanced, you know, there's low frequencies as well. The bass. But the higher ones are really grabbing my attention instantly. I like these dreamy or like tired type of vocals. I'm enjoying her voice a lot. This part feels so expansive, right? There's a lot of reverb in how she's singing, together with her approach to singing, pretty breathy, pretty free, airy. It's like whoo, whoo. And of course the melody is really important. The melody is really important. If there's no good melody that I like, it's not going to work. I like the video as well. Yeah, so I kind of expected that they were going to use this melody for the chorus, and I'm really glad that they are. Like the rap part. Oh damn, it's like a little like a little jump scare in there. Oh. Wow. All right. Wow. I'm gonna guess, before we check out the lyrics, I'm going to guess that this one is about love, broken love. So it's like, because the choreography is very central, I think it is about love, but at the same time, because the video is like sad and violent, it's about broken love. Kind of makes sense. But what is it actually about? Let's find out. So this one doesn't have, yeah. So let's pull up lyric video, see what it's about. Let's do it. All right, so we're going for random K in a very long time. I don't know, I either forgot to check, you know, because usually when you type in a song and lyrics, usually like a more well-known channels pop up, and I usually go for Zati Farhani. But I forgot about Random K. I really like their videos, and the translation is always really on point, and it's easy to read. Sebom Sohi Lu Chebin Haruman Ute Sunshine. Okay. Okay, this was Nature Girls. I really want to read it as Nature Girls. Like, the group is called Nature Girls. Kind of makes sense. But Nature Girls. Right. So I like this one. Yep. And I like pretty much everything. I like the instrumental from the very first second, really. That, you know, that higher frequency part caught my attention right away. I like their voices, everyone's voice. The melodies, of course, because that's the most important thing. Like the melodies that they were singing, and they were all like showcasing different vibes, right? We had that really soft and open and resonant part. Some sensuality, some sadness. So yeah, really everything. Overall, the song feels kind of a little closer to the brighter side melody-wise, even though it's sad in meaning. But yeah, I still liked it. I liked it a lot, and I'm gonna continue listening to it. Wow, this is such a pleasant surprise. So yeah, something like, oh yeah, the video. I can see why they had to put uncensored version, but there was really nothing in there. I expected something much more intense. So yeah, this is going to be it. But no, so again, the video. I like the video. I like the video a lot, even though the budget is, I think it was on the smaller side, right? They're not from a very big company, right? Or are they? Anyways, the video didn't look like it had a huge budget, but it looked really, really good. I like the transition from the dancing shots. Some of them were black and white, then in other scenes, just, you know, like your regular color palette. And the other ones with really soft edges, or like a little bit of diffusion. I can't really remember right now. Just the shots of them, I think they were like laying down, and mostly the close-ups of their faces, they were really yeah, like soft. I like that. So something like this. Thank you all so much for watching, guys. Thank you B Prince for sponsoring this video and the song, and catch you all in the next one. As always, take care, keep listening to great music, and love.